Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to relink missing files in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with creating a new composition. So it's going to look like this. So go ahead and select all of your options if you haven't already created one, and after selecting your preferences, click OK and get started with a composition right here. So now guys, let's say we have opened up a new project using the file option where we are using a project we have already created, or maybe we have created a new project with adding some particles from a different project. Doesn't matter. If you're opening a project but you have some missing files that you want to relink, this is how to do it. Basically all your files right here for your comp are going to go ahead and appear right here. So what we want to do is go under project and use the search bar. So under the search bar you want to go ahead and select missing. So go ahead and type in missing, and now guys, after going ahead and searching for missing, it's going to show you all the missing particles that you have right here of your videos, such as effects and so on, that you will be able to replace. So go ahead and find what's missing, and then you will know what you have to add to your project, and that's how you can replace your missing files and relink them right here from the project menu. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.